Lava has added a new member to its Yuva series called Lava Yuva Star. It is aimed at first-time smartphone buyers and comes with Unisoc's 9863 ASOS, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and Android 14 Go without pre-installed third-party apps. The Lava Yuva Star is built around a 6.75 HD Plus LCD with a notch for the 5MP selfie camera. Around the back, it has a dual camera setup. The primary camera uses a 13MP sensor. Lava hasn't revealed anything about the other camera, but it's likely an auxiliary unit. Lava Yuva Star announced for first-time smartphone buyers. Fueling the entire package is a 5000 mAh battery that charges through a USB-C at up to 10 West. The smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. Lava Yuva Star announced for first-time smartphone buyers. The Lava Yuva Star comes in white, black, and lavender colors and is priced at 6,499 Indian rupees $80, 70 euros. It is available in India through retail outlets, and Lava is offering its free home service to Yuva Star's users nationwide.